The first step to any successful installation is preparation. To be sure you understand the scope of this project, Moen recommends watching the entire guided installation before you begin. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the Moen Smart Wireless Soil Sensor in just 5 minutes. Before getting started, make sure you've already installed your Smart Sprinkler Controller. Gather the following items: your new wireless soil sensor, a Wi-Fi enabled smartphone or tablet, and a shovel or hand trowel. You will need to download the Moen Smart Water app on your iOS or Android device and create an account. Now it's time to pair the wireless soil sensor to the Smart Sprinkler Controller. Open the Smart Water app and select your Smart Sprinkler Controller. Then tap on the Sensors tab. To pair your wireless soil sensor to your Smart Sprinkler Controller, tap your sensor with your controller's magnetic faceplate. Follow the instructions in the app to add your soil sensor to a zone. Now you're ready to insert your soil sensor into the ground. Moen recommends a location within 1 to 2 feet of a sprinkler head. Choose an area with moist or soft soil. If the soil is too hard, try wetting the ground first. To prevent damage, don't hammer or force the sensor into the ground. Once the sensor is in the ground, use the label sheet provided on the inside front cover of the controller to make note of the zone and location for future reference. Congratulations! Your installation of the Moen Smart Wireless Soil Sensor is complete.